Welcome, my name is Adam from A&D Labs. I am today working on a battery pack. So here it is. This is a 24 volt battery pack. So this is actually the one. I already built two of them. Unfortunately, as I was trying to make the video, it decided to say, no, I'm going to be corrupted and I'm not going to be able to be played. So this is what we're going to do. Instead of you seeing me solder all this, I'm going to explain. So let's consider this the top. That's your negative, positive, negative. Okay, positive, negative, positive. I got the negative to the positive here, and I'm running a wire off of it. That will go to the board. Sorry about this. Which is in the 14.8 volt spot. Okay. Then you'll go to this one here. This wraps around, and that will be in. Come on, baby. Your 7.4 volt spot. Okay. These are your two mains, your positive and your negative. Then we'll go right next to the charging ports. Try not to touch them together. Right now, these two positives are not touching each other. Okay, now we'll go on the bottom. So here's what the bottom looks like. So if you're flipping it around, this is your front. The chip would be on the front. You just flip it straight around to the back, to the bottom, and this is what you're going to see. So you'll have these two, the positive and negative connect to each other, positive and negative to connect to each other. Then you'll run a wire from the negative to right here, which is the 18.9 volt. And then you'll look at this negative here, which is running over to this one, which was the 3.5 volt. Okay, and then you got this one here, which runs across, and that runs to your 7.4 volt, or no, it is your 11.1 volt. The best way to tell which is which, make sure you do it, because if you don't, you could get closer. Best way to tell which is going to which, take your negative, put it on your negative slot right here. Then you put your positive on the one that you're looking at. And I'll move this over. Let's back that off a little bit. Okay. And we're going to come in just a little bit. Right there. Okay, so negative, positive. Come on, you both. Really?
It's okay.
Okay, so let's try this again. Negative, positive. 3.2. Well, that one's 3.5. So 3.5. You keep the negative on there. Go to the next one. 7.1. Negative. Next one. 10.8. Which is supposed to be the 11.1. But my batteries are a little low. 14.4. 18.0. Best way to do it is you locate your top negative. So your top negative up here, and you go like that to each wire, and then put them in their designated spots, which it will say on the battery pack or on the board. $7.4, 11.1, 18.5.
Good job.
then after you get them all connected, this here is your charger ports. You will hook them up to your your whatever you decide to use for a connection, which I use these. And I ordered this on Amazon. It is a 24 volt. Let's see if I can get it closer. 24 volt, 3 amp. And I will leave a link in the description so you guys can order it. Same with the batteries. Thank you for watching. This video is going to be in a segment of 5 or 6 other videos. This is just the start to one of my Bluetooth speakers, which I'm going to actually be posting 2 separate different Bluetooth speakers, but with the same type of battery pack. This one is going to be a recycled subwoofer from an old surround sound system. The subwoofer is going to be reused for this project. Plus I bought 2 other speakers, a mid-range speaker and a tweeter. On top of that, I also bought an amplifier board that is about 200 watt. The speakers are about 200 watts a piece, so there should be more than enough to push into those speakers. Well, thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next one.